we actually were doing a video to let the community know that, because he and I sit on the road repair committee.
Oh, you do?
And we're bringing this street as a top priority to make sure we get it done. So, God willing, everything goes well. We get the ball rolling, and we might be in construction at the end of the year.
Good. I've been here 50 years.
50 years.
Yeah, right here.
And it's never been fixed.
No.
Hey Lynwood, it's Mayor Solache.
Councilman Jorge Casanova.
And we're excited to share with all of you that both of us have joined the Infrastructure and Road Repair Committee to help address Lynwood's needs.
I'm excited to be part of this effort on behalf of our City Council.
As many of you know, these past couple of years, we've prioritized many of our street repairs and infrastructure projects. Now, I'm happy to have a seat at the table and continue being a voice for our residents. We are now proposing a 3-year plan that starts with the 1 year, second, and third year to ensure that more streets get repaired in our city.
As one of your newest City Council members, I recently had the opportunity to speak to many of you regarding things that matter to you. Top 2, we had infrastructure and road repairs. Now, as a City Council member, I get to sit on a committee that makes recommendations to the City Council on what streets are going to be repaired next. I'm excited to bring those results to you.
We have heard from our residents that live here, but also from the people that drive through the Agnes Avenue.
As a committee, we're here to make sure that Agnes gets recommended to City Council for approval.
The city of Lynwood has professional staff, engineers, where they get to keep tabs on what's happening in our city. In fact, there's a list that exists on what streets need repairs. This new committee that has been established, and I'm happy that Mr. Casanova and I are sitting in this committee to make sure that our voices, our residents' voices, not our voices, but your voice in the community, you live in the city, you see these streets, we need to ensure that it become just a list, that it becomes reality. So I'm happy that we're here advocating for you.
As taxpayers and homeowners ourselves, we're excited to know that staff has composed a list of streets that need repairs. As council members and members of this committee, we get to drive our neighborhood and look at these streets and pick out the few that are in dire need and make those priorities. Streets like Rayborn, Pendleton, Agnes.
Our alleys.
Our alleys.
Our alleys need help as well, and so we're happy to see this list. We're going to prioritize it. We look forward to a 3-year plan, but for now we're going to focus on year 1 and ensure that these streets get repaired soon, because it's not fun driving through potholes and streets that have not been repaired in decades, not years, in decades. So our priorities are your priorities. Thank you.
Sí, qué bueno, me da mucho gusto, muy contentos con ustedes.
Muy bien, gracias.
Porque nos escuchan y realmente estoy muy contenta. Fue un gran cambio para todos y realmente
poco a poco.
Bienvenido.
Okay. Gracias, ¿eh? Ya más falta que le pinten las rayas, todo lo que falta. Creo que van a hacer ya esta semana o la siguiente. Por la lluvia un poco despacio, pero...
Ahí los apoyamos.
Ok, gracias, ¿eh? Buen día. Y después sigue esta, ¿eh?
Claro.